Hello friends, welcome back to Momentum Stocks. In this video, we are going to discuss about Nifty, Bank Nifty, and we are going to talk about one strong and one weak stock for tomorrow's trading session, that will be March the 4th, 2024 friends. Before we begin, I want you to put it in the comments whether you would like to see the videos in vertical format, that is in the format of shorts, or in horizontal format, which you are currently also looking at. Okay, so please put it in the comment whether you want it vertical or horizontal. I would like to see your comments, and then in future we will put videos in that particular format so that it is easier for you to look at them and understand. Coming to the previous video that we had posted on the channel was on 19th Feb friends. Here, okay, we had done analysis on 19th Feb. Our buy or strong stock that day was Reliance. Okay, I'm just marking this 19th here, and you can see on 19th there was a nice upward move. There was a nice downward wedge pattern that we identified in Reliance here before 19. That downward wedge converted into a head and shoulder, a bullish head and shoulder pattern. There was a proper breakout. If I take this off, you will be able to see that there was a retracement and straight upward momentum till here. This was a 30 to 35 point momentum from here to here. If you look at it, 30 points momentum, and option premium increased by 30% friend here. Just at the money call option, which was at 29.50ish, that became 30% rise was seen in that particular momentum. On the same day, we also have given ITC for as a weak stock. So if I'm drawing a vertical line like this on 19th, you have seen that it has touched the stop loss. Okay, this can be, the stop can be your stop loss. Okay, it has touched the stop loss, but at the same time, if you see, there was a proper breakdown that happened towards the end of the day or the next day. Okay, from there it continuously went down. This would have been your first target, and that is where it straight reached. And if I zoom back, in spite of Nifty, Bank Nifty performing amazingly upwards yesterday, okay, this was the kind of momentum. Our weak stock that was identified did not even go above the previous swing high yesterday friends. So that's how weak ITC was, and that's what we have identified in the previous videos. Now if you have still not subscribed to the channel, do hit the subscribe button, and if you have still not liked the videos, also like the video so that you would continue to receive updates coming up in the channel friends. Coming to the next session, wherein we are going to discuss about one strong and weak stock, and we are also going to discuss about Nifty, Bank Nifty. Nifty, Bank Nifty first. Coming to Nifty friends, yesterday you have seen Nifty. Let's not consider yesterday Saturday friends. We are considering this day, March 1st, wherein the momentum was seen from here till here. This was a very good momentum that was seen in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now, was there any kind of retracement? The answer is no. Now, when market goes up without any retracement, is this a healthy move? I would say it is not a very healthy move, but yes, there was a very good up move. Now, are we bullish, bearish on the market? We are still bullish on the market. When will we create buy positions? For that, we will pull up a Fibonacci from recent bottom to top. We will create buy positions at this area, which is 22,417 levels friends. See, at this range, wherein we also see this area which is acting like a support. The next place where we can create buy positions is at 22,341 levels, which is also the 38.2 levels, and we are also seeing good amount of support in this range also. Okay, so this is also where we can create buy position. See, I'm just marking it for you. See, this is your 28.3, 23.6 levels, wherein we are able to see this support, and we are able to see this area as support in our 38.2 levels also. So does that mean we would go ahead and sell till this level? The answer is no. If we are looking at a proper breakdown and a retest and a fall, that's when we can go ahead and sell. Otherwise, we are still bullish on the market. Same thing in Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty scene was little different. See, when I'm drawing a Fibo from recent bottom to this top, it came here till 38.2, where there was a proper support zone. Okay, this was your support zone like this, and From here is what it continued to move upwards. There was also a wrong side breakout. See, this was the upper zone, this was the lower zone. Ideally, Bank Nifty should have fallen from here, but then there was a breakout that happened and it continued to move upwards only. There was no place that it gave us an entry for a upward or a downward momentum. Continuous upward candles happened in Bank Nifty and it closed somewhere here. Now the next level will be the all-time high, which is somewhere here, friends. When will we create buy positions in Bank Nifty? For that, we will go ahead and remove all this, friends. Okay, I'll delete this and we will draw Fibo from recent bottom, which is here, till the top, which is like this. Okay, we can create buy positions at this level. You can see there is support zone here. 50% levels also we can create buy positions, because we see very 38.2 levels we can create buy positions. At 38.2 levels, you can see there is a very good support. This area is acting like a support and Fibonacci support. This is also a good level. And for buying, we also have 23.6 levels where also there is a good support like this, friends. So these were the two places where we can create buy positions in Bank Nifty also. See, friends, for buy stock, we are choosing Ultratech Cement, wherein what has happened is it has created a proper double bottom pattern like this. Okay, after the double bottom pattern, it has also gone ahead and given a breakout of this line, this trend line, which is looking like this. Okay, this is your trend line breakout. Let me draw it properly. This is your trend line breakout and it continued to go upwards. So we have all the reasons to buy in this particular stock, but what are the levels where we can buy? For that, I am removing all this and drawing a simple Fibo from the bottom, which is here, to the top, which is here. We would go ahead and buy at 23.6 levels, where there is also a recent support like this and there is a recent support like this. So if I'm drawing this as a support zone, you can see this support and this support at 23.6 levels. Then next thing that we can do is we can wait for 38.2 levels, where also there is a similar story. You can see a support line like this. This is your support zone and also your Fibonacci support is standing at the same place. So with these reasons, we can go ahead and buy Ultratech Cement. What we can also do is, if in case tomorrow this top is broken, then we can go long for targets upwards. How can we create targets? We can go ahead and create targets using 1:1 or 1:1.5 risk to reward ratio. If it crosses this area, we'll go ahead and create short position. Our stop loss will be below this line here, somewhere here below this level. We'll have our stop loss, and against that we'll keep at least 1:1 or 1:1.5 as our target, friends. That's how we would be creating positions in Ultratech. It will actually look something like this. This was long position. If it is crossing this area, we'll buy. We will keep a stop loss like this, and 1:1.5 or 1:1.2 will be our target. That's how we would be trading in Ultratech Cement. Weakness, friends. Talking about weak stock, we see weakness in Baj Finance. And why do I say that? That's because, friends, even in spite of good momentum that happened, this did not break the previous swing high. Okay. Second reason is, if I'm drawing a Fibo from recent top here till this bottom, you will notice that the stock has not even gone till the 50% levels. See, it is taking its rejection from this levels. Why am I not considering this candle? That's the opening candle that gave upward momentum, that gave an opening there. It is showing us weakness, but in spite of that, the 50% level is not crossed. Now, when can we create positions here? We can create immediate positions, or we can wait for this trend line to break. If this trend line is broken, you will see good downward momentum till this level, which is 6569. The next target will be 6467, friends. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please hit the like button. Also hit the subscribe button if you have still not subscribed to the channel. Thanks for watching and wish you a profitable tomorrow.